Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you searching for the cutest top ever to add to your wardrobe this season? So I love the fact that this top has a beautiful black background with adorable little white hearts. So from far away, it almost looks like polka dots, but as you get closer, you can see that they are sweet little hearts. The detailing on the sleeve is adorable with the puff sleeve, and then that little bit of trim along the edge just adds a lovely detail to this blouse. This top is comfortable, and even though it does have short sleeves, I think it works well under a jacket or sweater. So it's the perfect layering piece to add to your wardrobe, and it's going to work through several different seasons. I am wearing a medium and it fits true to size. The little details like the edging on the sleeve, the little bit of puff, and the fact that the bottom is curved, so it's curved down both in the front and the back, makes it a very flattering fit. So whether you want to dress this up or dress this down, I think this blouse is perfect. It adds a little bit of whimsy, but still will go with a lot of different pieces in your wardrobe. And that is my point of view.